In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Peak with more friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, in Peak, you can host a game with up to 4 people at once, including you, so you and 3 other friends. However, by the use of mods, you can actually bypass this limit. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a mod to play with more than 4 people. So what you have to do is download 2 things. The mod itself, so Peak Unlimited, allows you to increase the cap for playing with more than 4 friends, and you need BAPN packs or BAPN EX pack. This is essentially going to be what makes this mod work. So visit Peak Unlimited on Thunderstore, and I recommend using the manual download. If you have Mod Manager, then you can use it as well. But for this video, I'm going to assume that you will do manual download. So just click the option here and you will receive a zip file like this. And you do the same thing with BAPN EX pack. So you click here, you will be redirected, and then you download it. So after you have downloaded BAPN EX pack, the Peak Unlimited mod, the first thing that you have to do is drag everything inside of the BAPN EX zip file into the games folder. If you don't know where Peak is installed, you can open up Steam, right-click on Peak, manage, and then browse local files. So once this folder opens, make sure that you have the game closed, and then open the BAPN EX pack Peak folder. So as you can see, don't drag all of these files here. You need to open this folder and then drag these files. So you will have the folder, you will have win HTTP/DLL, doorstop config, and doorstop version. So drag these files inside of the Peak folder. I already have them, so I'm going to skip this portion. But after you have done this, you need to launch Peak once and then close it down. So you open Peak normally and then you quit. Now, once you have launched it once, you are done with BAPN EX pack. The next thing to do is to open the BAPN EX folder inside of the Peak installation, go over to plugins, and then drag peakunlimited.dll. In this instance, you don't need to drag everything. You only need peakunlimited.dll. And now you are ready to launch the game and host a game or a lobby with more than 4 people. There's no secret to this. As long as you properly installed BAPN EX, when you get inside of the game and you choose the host option, you will be able to invite everyone who is going to be playing. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate it in this video, but it's as simple as dragging the Peak Unlimited DLL and then inviting whoever wants to play. I'm not sure if everyone who is going to be playing needs to have the mod installed, but if you want to be safe, go ahead and make sure that everyone has the mod installed as well. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, I would highly appreciate if you subbed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.